Incline bench barbell press. Target primary muscle upper part of the chest and secondary shoulder and tricep muscle. Lying on the incline bench, hold the barbell equally to shoulder width and select the weight according to your strength. Whenever you press the barbell up, squeeze the upper chest muscle and slowly bring the barbell down. Then you have to squeeze the chest muscle. In the same way, you have to do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions, and after each set, you have to take a rest for 1 minute. Flat bench barbell press. Bench press is one of the most effective exercise to make the chest muscle stronger and bigger. This targets all the muscle of your chest. This is a compound exercise that train your shoulder and tricep muscle along with the chest muscle. You have to do this by laying on the flat bench and holding the barbell equally to width of the shoulder. In this too, if you press the barbell up, then squeeze the chest muscle, and if you bring it down, then stretch the chest muscle. 4 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Incline bench dumbbell press. If you want to bring in your chest size big and good shape, then you should mostly focus on your upper chest muscle. Just like you did barbell press on an incline bench, in the same way you have to perform it with the dumbbell. Use a heavy dumbbell, press the dumbbell up, then squeeze the upper chest muscle. With the dumbbell, your chest muscle are mostly stretched because we can take the dumbbell down mostly. 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Incline dumbbell fly. Fly exercise are performed to make the chest muscle wider. So this is an exercise to make your upper chest wider fast. You have to perform it lying on an incline bench with the lightweight dumbbell because it is an isolation exercise. Its load comes only on your chest muscle. When you bring in the dumbbell to the fly position, stretch the upper chest muscle completely and squeeze the upper chest when brought up. Flat bench dumbbell fly. This is an exercise to make the middle chest wider. You have to do this by laying on a flat bench, as shown in the video, using a lightweight dumbbell. Slowly bringing the dumbbell to the fly position and stretch the chest muscle completely, and at the same speed to bringing the dumbbell up, squeeze the chest muscle. This make a line in the middle of the chest. So you do 3 sets of this exercise and 10 to 12 reps. Dumbbell pullover with superset push-ups. In this you will perform 2 exercises together without taking any rest. So we will do first 10 to 12 reps with dumbbell pullover, and without taking any rest, 10 to 12 reps will be done with push-up exercise. This will give a very good pump in the entire chest muscle. In the beginning of dumbbell pullover, you should use a lightweight dumbbell. If you take the dumbbell behind the head, then stretch the lower chest. This reduces the fat of your lower chest very fast. You should do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps of this superset exercise.